The Prophet is reported to have strongly discouraged some of his companions who were discussing predestination, and he said that the people who likewise talked about it in the earlier generations also they were led astray and they were destroyed. So I caution you, you better don't do it. Obviously, this is another important reason why the people who feel that you're not supposed to use our intellect in religion, because if you're going to use it, you will go astray. Verses 35 to 36, the Quran says, quoting the disbelievers, does he promise you that when you will have died and become dust and bones, you will be resurrected once again? Hayhata, far-fetched is what you have been promised. So very strong denial of the possibility is what has been mentioned in the Quran over and over again from the disbelievers. The Prophet had a character which was presented by the Quran to the people who were considering this claim that the book that is being presented is a book from God and that the man who is presenting the message is the Prophet of God. The Quran says that لَقَدْ لَبِثْتُ فِيكُمْ عُمْرًا مِّن قَبْلِهِ. The Prophet is saying to the people of Mecca and the surroundings that I have lived with you for a lifetime before presenting this message. أَفَلَا تَعْقِلُونَ. Do you not ponder? Do you not use your intellect? There are two aspects in particular that this statement is emphasizing. One, that the Prophet had an impeccable character even before his declaration, announcement that he was God's representative. And B, the Prophet, before he made an announcement that he is receiving God's message, had never ever shown any inclination towards receiving a message from God or looking at the realities which were hidden, the unseen realities of this world.